This video demonstrates how to integrate and manage upgrades of the MSI package. For this, I will use PaySuite application packaging solution. You can get a free trial at paysuite.com. Namely, I will cover the following topics: import upgrade of old MSI, add upgrade manually. Run PaySuite launcher. Click on the package virtualize lifecycle stage and select Edit MSI. Now choose the MSI package to edit. If you are editing a vendor MSI produced by a software manufacturer, according to the Windows installer best practices, you should do it with a transform file. To create a transform, go to menu and select New MST. Choose a destination location and file name for the transform file. In case you are editing your packaged MSI or you are not afraid of losing a vendor support, skip the step of creating a transform file. Now, you can start modifying the necessary resources of your package. Go to the Package Designer Upgrades tab. This view displays the upgrade entries of the MSI package. An entry can perform either upgrade or can be used only to detect if old version of MSI is installed. To integrate the upgrade of previous versions of MSI, click Add Import from MSI. Choose Old MSI packages and click Open. The wizard reads the required information from the selected MSI packages and creates and upgrades entries for every separate package. Also, it checks and creates the missing standard action and properties for upgrade. To edit the automatically created upgrade entries, select Properties from the context menu. Make the necessary changes and click Save. If you don't have previous versions of MSI, you can add the upgrade entry manually. For this, click Add Upgrade. Specify an upgrade code for the MSI package that you want to upgrade, range of versions that will be upgraded, and finally, after editing the action property, click this link to include it to the Secure Custom Properties. It is mandatory to perform the upgrade. That is how upgrades of old MSI can be automatically and manually added to the MSI package with help of PaySuite. Thanks for watching.